Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how to achieve a wet on wet design. If you don't know what that is, that's where you go in immediately after flooding your cookie to do design work without letting your base coat dry first. Doing this will allow the colors to sink together into a flat surface, and the result is a really fun, different style that you can do so much with. Today we're going to be doing a floral design. The most important thing to know with wet on wet designs is to be prepared. You want to know exactly what you're doing and have all of your icing ready to go because you're going to want to work semi-fast to make sure you finish piping your icing before the base coat starts to dry. Also, you'll want all of your icing to be a true flood consistency. All of the icing I use in this video is about 10 seconds, other than the outline that I let dry before flooding. Doing wet on wet designs can be a bit tricky because there's not a lot of forgiveness if you mess up. What I would recommend is to sketch out your design beforehand and have it right next to you as you're working. That's what I did here. I also planned out what colors would go where, so there's no thinking as I'm icing the cookie. I'm just piping out what I've already planned. We're going to go in with edible marker in a little bit to bring everything together, so make sure you plan around that as well and leave enough space for any lines you're going to be drawing later. Once you're done piping your design, you want to let it dry for at least 8 hours. Since we're going to be using a lot of marker, you want to make sure everything is completely dry. And now for the fun part. This is the part where you get to finally see it all come together. I think a lot of marker detail adds so much to the design, but you can do as little or as much as you want. It's your cookie, have fun with it. And that's it. I had so much fun getting back in the swing of things with this design, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm glad to be back, and I have a lot of fun things coming up. If you're not already, I'd love for you to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you like this video, give it a like and let me know what you'd like to see next on my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.